At this very moment, there are huge transactions taking place, and whales are moving about a lot. Shiba Inu tokens, worth $2 trillion, are circulating. Have we finally arrived at the pinnacle of our anticipation? The situation is going to get out of hand, so brace yourself. A Shiba Inu is on the verge of a crazy act. Allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Even for the most seasoned investors, there are times in the constantly evolving world of cryptocurrencies that stand out. Shiba Inu, often called a meme coin, has recently been getting more attention than ever before. There has been an upsurge in strange behavior among Shiba Inu throughout the last day. Into the block data reveals a staggering 81% surge in whale activity. In a single day, the amount of major transactions, those over $100,000, soared to almost 2 trillion Shiba Inu, which is approximately $30 million. The average amount transferred by each whale in these 66 big transactions is about 32 billion Shiba Inu, or around $460,000. Something major could be about to happen, given the enormous uptick in whale activity. These big firms may be preparing for a market change based on the sheer number of these deals happening so quickly. Whether it's a sudden increase in price, the release of a big statement, or some other noteworthy event, this kind of action usually indicates a possible shift. The value of Shiba Inu has increased by more than 2% since Monday, suggesting that a market shift is imminent. The fact that this price rise coincides with the uptick in whale activity is hardly coincidental, given this knowledge. Even while it's not apparent whether these whales are speculating on a rise or getting ready for a future fall, the increased transaction volume is definitely making Shiba Inu a hot topic. With Shiba Inu making movements, the crypto world is set to be an intriguing place to be, where attention drives volatility. And you would be mistaken to believe that here is where the thrills begin. A huge and unusual transaction involving 620 billion Shiba Inu tokens recently shook the Shiba Inu community. There may have been a positive turn for the cryptocurrency, since this surprise move has caused ripples in the market. Significant hoarding by major participants in anticipation of a price spike was evident on August 21st, when exchanges withdrew more than 620 billion Shiba Inu tokens. This unexpected change might be the turning point for Shiba Inu, which has been under siege and battling for momentum recently. The issue arises, is this a signal of purchasing pressure or something else? This tendency could be impacting today's price comeback. The abrupt activity and massive withdrawals might be a sign that key participants are getting ready for a price spike. The strong positive attitude and possible future gains might be signaled by these withdrawals if they constitute an effort to acquire Shiba Inu. On the other hand, this may only be a warm-up for further market efforts, such prospective sales. There may be other variables at work here, but these events make it seem like Shiba Inu is preparing for a big rally. If this trend is really a forerunner to substantial upward movement, or if we're seeing a different kind of market maneuver, the following few days will undoubtedly witness unprecedented attention. Major exchanges are increasing their support for Shiba Inu in response to the growing interest in these dogs. A leading US-based exchange, Kraken, is currently adding more Shiba Inu options to its platform. Traders may now pair Shiba Inu with the euro thanks to a newly established margin trading pair. For customers in Europe who mostly trade in euros, this change is going to bring up new possibilities. Borrowing money to trade Shiba Inu is now possible with this new pair, increasing the danger and profit for traders. With Kraken Pro, a sophisticated trading platform, users may now leverage their original deposit for these deals up to 3 times. Opening long or short bets on this new pair is similarly limited to 2 billion Shiba Inu by Kraken. The objective was to provide a resource that was fully community-driven. These recent events demonstrate that Shiba Inu is attracting a lot of interest from influential market participants and prominent trading platforms. This may indicate that there will be even more volatility and excitement in the future. Since listing the Shiba Inu token in November 2021, Kraken's support for the cryptocurrency has steadily increased. The addition of a perpetual futures trading pair for Shiba Inu, which let traders to utilize leverage of up to 10 times, was made to the exchange's products only last May. In celebration of the listing, Kraken lowered its fees, making them 0% for makers and only 0.1% for takers for the first 100 days. This was meant to sweeten the bargain. Some industry watchers are predicting that Shiba Inu may soon surpass Dogecoin in value because to its rapid growth. Murad Mahmudov, a veteran analyst at Goldman Sachs, has made a daring prediction. Shiba Inu will soon have more meme coins in circulation than Dogecoin. This has caused quite a commotion. The idea that Dogecoin is unrivaled in the meme currency sector is the greatest scam performed on crypto investors, according to Mahmudov. He claims that Dogecoin's untouchability is an intentional strategy to keep it at the top and prevent rivals from entering the market. The true challenge, says Mahmudov, has been making people believe that Dogecoin is unbeatable. The present interactions between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin get an interesting dimension from this point of view. It is possible that Shiba Inu is at the forefront of a big change happening in the meme coin market, according to Mahmudov's prediction. Murad Mahmudov then tweeted to clarify that he was referring to Dogecoin's position as the market leader in the joke currency industry. During the 2024 to 2025 market cycle, he thinks another meme currency may overtake Dogecoin. To put things in context, Dogecoin advocates, especially those who had Elon Musk's support, have long argued that the cryptocurrency was unstoppable. But in October of 2021, Shiba Inu stole the show by surpassing Dogecoin to become the first meme currency. Shiba Inu's market worth reached about $33 billion on October 27, 2021, a day when the company had a tremendous 45% gain. Shiba Inu was able to surpass Dogecoin, whose market worth was $32 billion at the time because to this spike. Both currencies had difficulty sustaining their control in the days that followed this short era of domination. As investors cashed out of Shiba Inu, Dogecoin was able to reclaim its position as the leading meme currency. This background provides some interesting context for the current meme coin fight, since rumors suggest that another currency may be able to dethrone Dogecoin. Murad Mahmudov believes that Dogecoin may be overtaken in the current market cycle, despite the large difference between Dogecoin and the other meme currencies. He hasn't specified which currency may achieve it, but Shiba Inu's value would have to surge by almost 85% to surpass Dogecoin. In other words, the price of a Shiba Inu token would have to go up from its present level to about 4.27 USD. Who will flip Dogecoin in the 2024 to 2025 market cycle? We'll find out in the Shiba Inu. Fortunately, Bitcoin might be useful in achieving this objective of Dogecoin flipping. Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu team, recently offered some insightful commentary about Bitcoin and its potential effects on the cryptocurrency industry as a whole, as well as on Shiba Inu in particular. Lucy hinted about the possibility of an imminent significant price increase, sometimes known as a bull run. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Shiba Inu, benefit from bull markets when values are increasing or predicted to grow. For example, Bitcoin's previous significant price surges often occurred after its halving events. However, this takes time to occur. It typically takes about 4 to 6 months. As an example, the significant price increase for Bitcoin began about 1 year following its halving in 2012. Gains occurred around 6 months after the 2016 halving, and the market heated up in 2020, which occurred approximately 5 to 6 months thereafter. In April of this year, Bitcoin underwent its most recent halving. Due to this incident, fewer Bitcoins will be generated, which means that Bitcoin will become scarcer and may be more expensive. Lucy thinks that, looking at historical patterns, the price of Bitcoin may rise in the next several months. Just keep in mind that past events don't always portend the future. What are your thoughts on other important elements, such as market trends and investor sentiment? Post your thoughts in the space provided. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.